You're practicing gesture drawing wrong, and you know you are. I also know you're looking at your favorite artists and thinking you can achieve the same results while taking shortcuts your brain is simply not equipped for yet. Even me, I still can't draw a perfect sketch without drawing gesture lines. And this is probably the best result you're gonna get, if I do. And listen, I'm not saying practicing this, or this is wrong. Practicing anatomy is definitely important. However, you're trying to walk without crawling. I'm gonna clock it, bestie. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to practice gesture drawing as a complete beginner artist. But first, let's do all the important things. Like, share, subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you haven't yet. Also, you can check out my Etsy shop if you want to support the channel. I will gladly appreciate that a lot. And if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. I'm Geekiicorn, just another beginner artist trying to find her path and sharing my journey on the internet. Hopefully you stick around to enjoy the ride. Now let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is choose a reference picture, and you might want to hold on to your seat for this one. You're going to trace it. Yep, you heard me right. You're going to trace it. You're going to trace it. But not in its entirety, just the shapes. If you want me to talk about shapes and like construction lines in another video, just leave it down in the comments and I'll know that you need that video and I'll try to work on it. Okay, but back to our topic. Assuming that you already know this, I just want you to trace a picture because this will help your brain absorb all this new information before you can actually try to do it on your own. Now what you are gonna do is you're gonna get that gesture drawing that you trace on top of the picture, and you're gonna copy paste it underneath it so you can have it as a reference, because now comes the fun part. Now you're gonna try to do it on your own without tracing on top of the gesture you just did or the picture. This is also going to further develop your observation skills, and if you realize that something is wrong, try to erase it and draw it again. Don't be like me, don't cut the piece and move it around. At least at the beginning, you're gonna want to erase it and try to draw it on your own first so you can understand what you're doing wrong and how to place it on the right angle that you need it, or the right perspective that you need it. And now you're done. Well, not really. Now you're gonna want to repeat the process with a few other references. Remember, again, you're going to trace on top of the picture all the gesture lines that you can find, all the major shapes that you can find. Don't focus on the details. Don't try to trace the picture per se. Just trace the lines, trace the shapes, trace the gesture of the pose. Then you're going to copy and paste that gesture and put it under the picture and try to draw it on your own again.
道を歩むけど君との思い出が支えてくれるさよならバイバイ切ない言葉心の奥で響いている思い出は消えないどこにいても愛のかけらを抱きしめて
There are going to be references that are going to be more challenging than others, like this one right here. Because let me tell you, I erased the head and the torso like I don't know how many times, but that's okay. That's fine. I literally almost quit on this pose, but you know what? That's okay. You have to push forward, and if you have to erase a whole thing and start again because you're not pleased, do it. But that's okay. That's how you learn. Even if you think it looks hideous, you can always erase and try again, or just move past it and come back to it once you have more experience or more knowledge, or once you have done a few other gestures. Come back to this one and see if you can do it better.
さよならバイバイ切ない言葉心の奥で響いている思い出は消えないどこにいても愛のかけらを抱きしめてさよならバイバイ涙の海で君の面影を探し続ける最後の一瞬忘れないよ
And there you have it. I hope this was helpful for you. And if you decide to try this technique and post it on Instagram or something, I also have Twitter. I barely use it, but you can tag me there too. But I would love to see your progress. If this video was helpful for you in any shape or form, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And like I used to say, this is a safe place for my fellow noobs where we can learn together and grow together. Until next time, bye.